Not only does this chocolate truffle recipe need 2 ingredients to make, it's super tasty as well. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Arav.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that gives you some of the best tutorials for your most favorite desserts, drinks, snacks, and more. Plus, we occasionally do some awesome baking challenges, so if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. So as we said before, this recipe is super duper easy. It only requires a few ingredients, and to get started, we're gonna get a saucepan and add in 5 ounces of condensed milk. Okay, now we're gonna put this on medium heat, and we're gonna cook it until the sides begin to simmer. Alright, that should be good. The sides are simmering, so now I'm gonna remove it from heat, and then we're gonna sift in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Alright, let's add this in. Alright, now I'm going to put this in the fridge for an hour. Anytime if your mixture becomes a little less stiff, you can go ahead and pop it back in the freezer for a few minutes and it'll harden up. Alright, now we're going to take about a spoonful of this chocolate mixture and we're just going to put it in our hands and roll it around until it becomes into a circular shape. So we have some cocoa powder here and we're going to make sure the whole truffle is covered with cocoa powder. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this super simple truffles recipe, make sure to give us a thumbs up down below. Click over here for our last video, click down there for all of our summer videos in that series, and click here to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.